Howdy y'all, welcome back to Rat's Nest Hot Rods. I wanted to do a shop update, shop tour, show you what's going on as far as the work in here. A lot of questions coming in lately about where's the Cadillac, when you're going to get back to that. So I wanted to address that and then kind of show what the normal routine is in the garage and how we're organized. I don't normally film with my cell phone, so hopefully this doesn't come out too shaky. But here's the Caddy. You've seen that in previous videos, and there's going to be several videos upcoming about mounting the door, the trunk lid, and then this the inner fender wells, the hood hinges, the core support up front. So you'll see those in the near future, but this is where we're at right now. You can see down in here all the steering's rebuilt. I did that a while ago. Steering suspension rebuilt. Inner fender wells, as I said. Firewall looks really good. Core support came out really good, I think. I used the, I sprayed it with an HVLP. I used the POR 15 top coat. And I think it came out really nice looking. Shot inside, you can see all that stainless trim. There's the door that we, in previous video where we shaved the door handle and lock. Those came out really nice. It's the trunk lid there slapped on. It's not leveled yet, but I got it on there, mounted to the hinges. So this project takes a back seat to what I do a lot of, which is wiring and then small metal repairs on cars, and then wiring on motorcycles, motorcycle paint, that kind of stuff. I don't generally paint full-on cars. But I will be painting my own Cadillac, and we'll see that in the future. But yeah, this is kind of what it normally looks like in here, and why the Caddy doesn't get all the attention that it needs and deserves. But it's a '66 Barracuda, right before they became really, really cool. But the owner loves this car, so we are going to put in some new wiring, a whole new wiring harness. POR 15 was put down last night on the floors. The floors were in remarkably good shape. This was out on a farm inside a barn, and it was kept there for a long, long time. We're going to install a quick wire kit right here. One of these guys. If you're going to do a wire harness, I recommend them. That's a little cheaper than the most popular brand, and very well labeled, very high quality. All the parts that come out of the car that I want to keep here, as far as electrical stuff, and small dash parts go there on the shelf. But yeah, that's kind of what the deal is here in the shop. Wiring is kind of my passion. I'm a commercial electrician, former commercial electrician. Now I'm an office boy in a big hospital in Seattle, managing a bunch of construction workers like myself. So yeah, we'll get back to Ursula soon, and there will be videos bringing her to this point here. I do need my shoulder in good repair before we start that. I did also want to kind of demo this US General tool cart, because I really like this thing. I used to go back and forth, you know, to my tool chest over there. This thing's great for the stuff you use all the time. And I'm still working out the organization. I don't close the top lid, so I use it for more organization. You can see the bit organizers and picks and extensions, nut drivers. The top holds the large amount of sockets, 1/4 and 3/8 screwdrivers, slotted on the left and Phillips on the right, and then pry bars, as well as you can see the sockets in there. I'm not a full-on professional mechanic, so none of this stuff. Well, most of this stuff in here is Craftsman, gear wrench, a little bit of Husky, and then as I go to garage sales, I'll pick up any kind of tool truck brand stuff that I see in Proto or Mac, Matco, Snap-on, and I will supplement those in and out. That's why some of the sockets look different. So I'd sub those in and hold on to the more DIY brand after that. Wanted to show these also. I'll go through these drawers for you. These are these are platinum. The company that makes this is ATD Platinum, but most people buy these under the brand name of Mountain. They're generally called a Mountain ratcheting wrench, box wrench. These things are phenomenal. They're made by Easy Red also. I think Easy Red was the ones that own the original patent. But these things are incredibly handy. I recommend them. Over here, keep the M12 Milwaukee cordless stuff. Long torque screwdrivers. We work on a lot of Harleys and motorcycles. These are super handy. And then all the mini screwdrivers. Wrench drawer, gear wrench, and then some SAE on this side, metric on that side. Some offset wrenches in there. And then this is the plier drawer. These organizers are awesome. You can get them on Amazon if you just type in plier organization. They'll come up and they are sweet. You can put a lot of pliers in there and have access to them all. Bottom down there, usually wheel chocks, 2x4s, my kneeling pad, which is a godsend, and then 2-inch grinding disc for the die grinder. I do have the table for the side. I use that a lot. And then over here we keep the most used fluids. Yeah, Vaseline's on there. If you ever try and slam a quad carburetor setup into a Suzuki, into its new rubber intake boots, you'll want some Vaseline. Yeah, and then just some pickup tools. Yeah, wanted to demo this tool cart. I think it's awesome. I got it on sale for $189 on one of the coupons, and it's well worth it. A little bit of a wonky thing to assemble, and I had to waller out some holes to make it work, as it should, to fit together for fitment. But I think it's really good. All right, one last look at old Ursula here. I promise I'll get back there. And then a shot of that Barracuda. A couple weeks, this thing will be out of here. A little tough doing the job one arm, but I got my Ray back, and he's been helping me get this thing ready to go. All right, y'all. Peace and grease, sucker.